Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like,
my name is Sky Asia. If you're new, you should definitely subscribe and watch me grow. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a prep and pack with me to see my man. Okay, I guess you could also say I'm maintenance in a way too, because I need to wax my brows. I'm gonna do a little lash fill. I'm also gonna be doing a new nail set. I'm doing a fill. And then we need to do something about this hair. It's already been hectic. Today I've been working on clients because, you know, like I'm a nail tech and a lash tech, but today was a nail day. So yeah, I have one more client in an hour. So I'm just gonna do as much as I can with my nails because I want my nails to at least be finished. Actually, I think I should do this time to do my toes because there was just, I honestly, like, I don't even have to do a feel on my toes. Like, they look good. I just have to fix my pinky toes and I have to put a nail back on my other nail. But actually, yeah, y'all, I think I'm just gonna do that.
I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other, but are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's other men I don't want, and I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should have.
Okay guys, so I finished my toes. I had to redo my pinky toes and I had to fix one nail that broke. The pinky toes were okay, but the polish was like chipping, so I just like had to fix it. But I'm gonna show you guys my toes. Okay. Boop boop. Okay, like some purr. Okay guys, so I have like 30 minutes left until my next client gets here. I think I'm just going to, I think someone's using the washing machine, to be honest. I feel like I can't clean my room unless I wash laundry or fine. I still haven't put my clean clothes up for my other bins. So really I should probably do that. That way I have a place to put my dirty clothes. Okay guys, so my client should be here in a little bit. I'm just ready for when it's over with so I can finally do my nails. I'm actually super excited about my nail set because I'm doing a Care Bears one. And since I'm doing my nails Care Bears, y'all, I think I'm gonna switch to my Care Bears case. Like, I have to show you guys now. Hey, y'all, look at this. So cute, so freaking cute. But yeah, I'm gonna switch. Okay guys, so I kinda have like goodish bad news. My client 4:30 appointment, you know, I was wondering like why she wasn't texting or whatever, and so I texted her just in case, because imagine if I didn't text her, she just like would have pulled up. That would have been like so awkward. So I texted her and I said, hey, just let me know when you're here and I'll like be by the door. And then she asked, is my appointment at 5 or 5:30? And I said 4:30. Like, girl. Yeah, she was trying to come at 5:30, but that's not gonna work. I have stores I need to get to. I still need to do my nails. So yeah, that's just not gonna work. But I think I'm actually about to leave right now. That way I don't have to worry about the stores anymore. I'm gonna go to San Marcos because I need to go to the beauty store and get some more nose rings. And I think I might buy some earrings. And also I need to go to Dollar General. What do I need from Dollar? Oh, I need some acetone. Also, I need to go to Hobby Lobby because last time I went they were fucking closed. That's great. I need to see if they're open on Saturday. It was Sundays they were closed, so yeah, I need to go there. And there was something else, y'all, I don't remember, but yeah, so at least we got like stuff to do. Okay, hey guys, so I was trying to hurry up out because I thought she was still gonna try and come at 5:30 for her toes, but she said that she's just gonna book another appointment. So that gives me extra time, and I honestly needed this. I feel like God just been stepping through and really blessing me lately. Like, every time I feel like I've needed free time, someone's had to cancel or something had happened. So now this gives me time Because at first I thought I was literally only gonna have time, because my main concern was getting some nose rings, y'all. I really wanted to get some nose rings, and I think I want I'm probably gonna get like some heart-shaped earrings, or I don't know. I just feel like the earrings always tarnish. Maybe I should try something like dangly or something. That was meant to happen, because I looked at the time and it's literally 5:30, y'all, and I was trying to get home before 5:30. Anyways, I'm about to show you guys what I got from quarter to 10 real quick and put you baddies on for y'all mans or y'all sneaky link or whatever, y'all situationship. I got me another nose ring. It's like this one. I had an extra one, but I lost it. I'm hoping I'll find it. And since the studs just don't want to work for me, I'm gonna try these dangling ones, but I don't even know how I'm supposed to put these on. But yeah, I'm gonna just clean them with like alcohol every day and then put a little oil, and I hope they don't get irritated. And then I got me some bobby pins, y'all, for my Princess Tiana hairstyle I'm doing tonight. And then I got me a lip gloss and a lip liner, because I lost my other lip liner. But I'm about to try on this lip gloss and see how it tastes, because it's called Cotton Candy. And my boyfriend said he likes my lip glosses that have taste, compared to my lip glosses that just like moisturize my lips, because they don't taste like nothing. So I got another flavor just for him, because I have cherry, strawberry, and I got like this like caramel one kinda, which tastes like chocolate in my opinion. Ooh, this smells good. I think I already like the color too. I like that it's like a pink nude. It kind of tastes like the caramel one and the strawberry had a baby, to be honest. Okay guys, so I'm back home. I'm so happy I went to Hobby Lobby. Look what I got, y'all. At first, I was thinking it would be cute to use for my nails and stuff and put all my nail stuff in there, but then I was like, this would be cute for my painting stuff. And y'all, look, I also found this really cute plushie. I think I'm gonna put it on one of my bags. It has to be like a more bigger bag. I think I'm gonna put this on my Juicy Couture bag. Yeah, y'all. Oops, I still had heels on my suitcase. Yes, this is cute. We love to have a boyfriend who supports the Hello Kitty addiction, okay? Y'all, look. He also got me this plushie. He got me this for my birthday, though, months ago. And it still smells good. It smells like sweet bread. Oh, and he got me that My Melody lamp. Like, we just love... Oh, my God, wait. And that Hello Kitty cup. Okay, guys. But this is, like, my painting stuff. And this is my painting bin. And then also, I thought that this long part and the tray would be perfect for my freaking, what do you call it? I thought it would be perfect to put my nail brushes in there. I just don't know what I would put in, like, the bigger pockets. I feel like I'd probably just put, like, some erasers in there, or maybe, like, some tape. But yeah, I did a test run of my hair and it still looked good. Like, this is the only part that's been lifting, and I was gonna like cut this to where, not cut it, but make it to where it was a bang. And I'm really just surprised that the curls are still in. Okay, I was waiting on my little plug to answer, but he's not. So I'm just gonna start my nails. I need to get Telegram on my iPad because I'm not gonna even know if he's texting me or not, but I'm just gonna be checking my phone like every 20 minutes.
feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
$1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine.
Hey y'all, so I'm kind of mad. I'm not gonna have enough time to do my other hand. I think I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow before I leave, or I could try and do some when I get home from the party. But the first hand is turning out so cute. I was kind of scared, like the Care Bear had to go to had to get through a lot of work to look like this. But I'm about to do the webs, and then I'm just gonna put the top coat, and I'm gonna just leave out with one hand, y'all. So this hand's gonna be plain, nothing on it, and then this one's gonna be like this. But yeah, it's about to be 9 o'clock. I feel like I have like about an hour and 30 minutes of free time. I do still have to do her toes. I'm not wearing no makeup or nothing tonight, but I do need to get out everything ready, because I feel like what's gonna take long for me is when I do my hair. Hey guys, so I think it took me like 15-ish minutes to try and like perfect the lines and do the top coat, but these look so cute. And then my other hand's supposed to be light purple. I kind of wish, no, it's okay. Yeah, but my other hand's gonna be light purple. The orange is so cute though too. So last night, I was at the party. Y'all, I'm in so much pain. Oh my god. Like, my thighs are burning. Like, it just feels like I've pretty much been working out. I'm happy at least my feet aren't hurting, but I didn't expect, like, my thighs to be the one burning. I look crazy. Like, as soon as I got home, y'all, I literally ripped my wig off my head. And also, I just can't believe I'm still in this much pain, y'all. Like, what the fuck? And I still have more days of partying left. And I think I'm gonna boil some water on the stove so I can start cleaning my other wig. Also, I'm gonna go and eat me something, a TV dinner. Oh my god, I had one last night before I went to bed, and I tore that shit up, y'all. Guys, I'm not checking in when I'm supposed to, but I got me some food, and I'm about to put something on. Okay guys, so I already got the boiling water ready. I just need to dip my wig in there. Damn, where I put that? Oh. Ugh. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Like, I've been walking up them steps and stuff. But yeah, I'm about to have the wig soak in there, and I'm about to do my nails. Okay guys, so I'm cutting in. I just got done cleaning all the lace off around my wig. Look how dirty that hoe was. No joke. Honestly, like, people swear wigs are the easiest thing, but at the same time, it's like super high maintenance. I'm happy I got the curly wig because I don't have to like curl it or worry about it. It's just already gonna be curled, and I feel like I'm most likely gonna have my hair clipped up, so it doesn't get tangled. Oh, so you guys, you know, you've seen this hand, and then as you can see, I'm literally almost done. All I have to do is do the Care Bear for this hand. That's why I stopped and went to check on my wig and stuff, but I'm not gonna record me doing the rest. I think I'm just going to, yeah, because after I do my nail, I honestly think I'm gonna start installing the wig. Okay, so I got the band on. I got these earrings, but I'm either gonna ask my grandma to help me put them before I leave or just have my boyfriend help me. I don't know which nose ring I want. I think I'm gonna put the butterfly on because I've been wearing the Sans ones for a while. Got like this Barbie shirt with a sweater just because I'm thinking, you know, like what if we like go out to eat. And then I have like my laptop and my iPad and my camera already. Then my camera batteries in my car. Phew, sorry y'all, I'm out of breath. Clip. I also got my purse like packed up and stuff, and I got my iPad and I got my chargers out and stuff. I guess I'm about to go pack up my paint and stuff real quick then, because I did want to bring that. And yeah, I'm still looking for clothes to put in I was looking for a pair of jeans. I need a pair of jeans, and then I think I'm gonna take one more t-shirt. Okay, I'm getting one of my bras that has like no padding because I want it to look natural. I feel like stuffed padded bras look so weird on me. I'm just so aggravated because I was supposed to been gone. I should be on the road right now. But I think I've decided that I'm just gonna do my edges and do my hair later and wear it in a bun, because I feel like me trying to perfect my hair and stuff is gonna take another 25 minutes, to be honest. And I still need to pack up my nail stuff, but at least I'm done packing my clothes. But yeah, and I do have to wash my lashes and brush them back out. They look crazy. Okay guys, so that's pretty much the end of the video. Look at my man.
The end of the video.
End of the video.
No.
You can't see.
Hear that?
What?
No.
Not the outfit. Okay guys, but thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and bye.
Red, but he spank me when I get back.